Hi, this is Aaron with Traveling Flamingo, and we recently got to do a cruise that we'd been dreaming of for a long time, a transatlantic cruise on the Queen Mary II. But like many people, when we booked our Cunard Cruise, we then wondered, what do I wear? Don't worry, we're going to go and break it all down for you, from what to wear during the day, to gala nights, to what you can totally skip if dressing isn't your thing. You might be surprised at how easy it is to pack for your Cunard Cruise. Cunard is known for having that classic traditional cruise vibe. Think old world excellence with white glove service, and yes, dressing up a bit more than usual. This isn't your shorts and flip-flop cruise line, but before you panic, you don't need to pack a tux, unless you want to. There's two main types of dress on a Cunard cruise. You have smart attire evenings and gala evenings. We'll go over those in just a second, but let's start with the daytime, which is all about comfort and casual wear. Okay, first things first, daytime is super relaxed. You don't need to be walking around in heels or a button-up shirt. Think casual, comfy, but neat. We saw lots of people in shorts, jeans, t-shirts, sundresses, leggings, and swimsuits. You just need to toss on a cover-up inside. Just don't show up to lunch in a swimsuit or shirtless, and you'll be totally fine. It's comfy but classy. You're still on a fancy ship, but you don't need to dress like you're going to the opera. Okay, so let's get into the evening wear. This is a Cunard cruise, and they are more traditional than other cruise lines. Most nights are what they call smart attire. For women, this could be pants and a shirt, a comfortable dress, but no ball gowns needed most nights. Linda wore golf skirts, capri pants, golf shorts, blouses, and sweaters. She tried to find clothes that won't wrinkle too much after being packed. For men, this is dress pants, khaki pants, a collared shirt, and a jacket is an option. Most men don't have a jacket, but a few of them did. I mainly wore golf pants because they pack small and with a golf shirt or button-up shirt. No need for a tie and jacket unless you want to. And if you don't feel up to it, you can always head to the buffet. We had one night where we were out on an excursion for most of the day, so we headed to the buffet. I really didn't feel like putting on long pants on our little one or myself, and we weren't really up to sitting longer than we needed to at the buffet. We met a couple there who didn't eat in the main dining room at all, and they preferred flexibility of the buffet, and the views are great. We'll do a full video about the buffet soon. All right, gala nights. They are the formal nights on a Cunard cruise. If you want to participate, they can be a lot of fun. On a 7-night cruise, you usually have 2 or 3 gala nights. There will be signs around the ship during the day and in the cruise daily newsletter. It'll tell you when the gala night is and what the dress code is. So what can you wear? Cocktail dresses, long gowns, or press pants and a nice blouse. For men, some go all out with tuxes, but we saw most men in dark suits, and that's what I did. There was some speculation that they were going to get rid of the themed gala nights, and it appears they're keeping them. We had a black and white night and a masquerade ball. Some people take it to the next level in floor-length gowns and tuxedos, and it's a lot of fun. Linda just had a black dress, and she had a nice necklace. We also used our formal stuff both nights as we didn't have packing space to bring 2 different formal outfits. It was pretty easy for a guy, I just changed my tie. We brought masks for the masquerade ball before we left and used those. You could also buy them the day of the masquerade ball on the ship. Don't stress, you aren't walking down a runway. It's about having a good time, and if you're not interested, you can head to the buffet or get room service. So let's seriously look at what to pack, because we don't want to waste precious shopping space by overpacking. This is what we brought. Comfortable clothes for during the day and at port, a couple outfits for smart attire evenings, and some of our comfortable clothes were nice enough that we could wear them at night as well, so we didn't have to bring 2 different outfits per day. We brought one gala night outfit and wore it on both days. Linda brought a sweater and a cardigan, and I only needed one sweater. Oh, and of course, comfortable shoes. It's surprising how much walking you do on the cruise ship, so beginning with comfort is a key important part of enjoying a gala night. So the big question is, do you have to dress up? The short answer is no. Cunard does have a dress code in certain areas like the dining rooms and the fancy lounges after 6 p.m. But as we mentioned, if you would rather stay casual, there are other options like the buffet or room service. So overall, Cunard does lean towards fancy. Passengers were more dressed up than we've seen on any other cruise line in recent years, but the dress code doesn't have to scare you off. We saw a range of people on all of these nights, some dressed all the way up and some much less. You don't need to have a red carpet wardrobe to enjoy your cruise. Just bring a couple of outfits you feel good in and embrace the fun of it. Let me know in the comments, are you team gala or team comfy? And if you've done a Cunard cruise before, I'd love to hear from you what you wore and how you felt about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy travels.